Jotend migepe mabende tayo tije mag kedo kod achiedh nade moro amora mabende nyalo muoche pinje goeko mag Djibouti, Kenya, Somalia, South Sudan, kanyakla kod Uganda koriwore kanyakla kod duol mar International Development okawo okang' mar rango kaka ginyalo medo keto kare weche goeko mag disaster management kata achiedh nade goeko kendo manyo kaka inyal yudi omenda ma ikonyo godo achiedh nade mopogore opogore mabende nyalo muocha e pinje goeko.
In terms of skills and sharing of resources in order to enable us tackle those challenges in a more optimal and in a more concerted approach because these development challenges do not know country boundaries. They cross over, and this is actually what IGAD most of the times have been emphasizing, so that then the socio-economic development of our people is not interrupted. And if that happens because of factors beyond our control, we bring in mitigating factors that will reduce the impact of that. And with climate change, this need is becoming more and more pronounced. And our people sometimes move across all these borders also, like in Uganda, Somalia, Ethiopia. And therefore, when all governments have a common understanding and common approach to these issues that affect our people, it is easier for us to communicate, it is easier for us to manage it and mitigate the impact of all these issues. In this, we are not alone, we are with our partners, and you must have seen their presence today in a very big way. And at regional level, at sub-regional level, we have cooperated very, very well. They have been with us shoulder to shoulder, and that is the way we intend to move. And indeed, with members of the press also, so that when we are communicating these issues to the public, particularly you can see the timing, because our rains are felled, and we are going to have a dry spell between now and October. Probably the earliest we will get rain, inshallah, will be in October, the first week or thereabout. And therefore, you can see the timing of this meeting, so that then we see how probably to engage our partners on a common front, so that then we don't have this fragmented approach in terms of how we try and mitigate the effects of this.